It started with a dog, a warehouse, and a handful of people who believed they could do something different. No investors, no shortcuts, just hard work and a promise. We'll do whatever it takes. As the years rolled forward, so did we. Packing for the Olympics, kidding for the PGA, growing alongside Truist, Coca-Cola, and hundreds more. But it was never about the products. It was about the people. The ones who stayed late, thought harder, moved faster, and showed up every single day. 30 years of challenges, 30 years of change, 30 years of doing whatever it takes together. This is more than fulfillment. This is family. This is All Points.